Are you ready to level up your savings game? All right, everyone, let's talk about money. Specifically, how you're saving it, and if you're getting the most out of it. We all know the importance of squirreling some cash away for a rainy day, a dream vacation, or that looming retirement. But with traditional savings accounts offering pitiful interest rates, it can feel like your money is just sitting there, stagnant. Enter Betterment. You might have heard the name before, but what exactly is it? Is it a bank? A robo-advisor? Some weird crypto thing your uncle keeps raving about? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into Betterment and what it can do for your hard-earned cash. Better than your bank, unveiling Betterment. So, Betterment isn't a bank in the traditional sense. Think of it more like an automated investment service, often called a robo-advisor. Here's the gist. Betterment uses your financial goals and risk tolerance to create a personalized investment portfolio. They then handle the investing for you, automatically buying and selling stocks, bonds, and other assets to keep your portfolio on track. Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't investing risky? I don't want to lose my savings. That's a valid concern. The truth is, any form of investment carries some level of risk. But Betterment's beauty lies in its focus on diversification. By spreading your money across different asset classes, you minimize the impact of any single investment going south. Tailored investing for every you. But wait, there's more. Betterment isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Through a quick and easy questionnaire, they get to know your financial situation. Are you saving for a house in 5 years? Retirement in 30? They factor this in, along with your risk tolerance, to create a portfolio that aligns with your goals. Let's say you're young and comfortable with a bit more risk. Betterment might allocate a higher percentage of your portfolio towards stocks, which have the potential for higher returns, but also higher volatility. On the other hand, if you're nearing retirement and prioritizing stability, your portfolio might lean more towards bonds, offering lower returns, but also lower risk. Automation is your friend, hassle-free investing. Here's the real kicker, Betterment automates everything. Once you set up your account and link your funding source, you can pretty much forget about it. Betterment handles the rebalancing, reinvesting dividends, and keeping your portfolio on track based on your goals. This is a game changer for busy people who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. Fees, a transparent conversation. Now, let's talk about fees, because let's be honest, no one likes hidden charges. Betterment charges an annual management fee based on your account balance. It's a flat fee, so you know exactly what you're paying up front. And compared to traditional financial advisors who charge a percentage of your assets, Betterment can actually be quite cost-effective. Is Betterment right for you? Before you jump in head first, here's the thing to consider. Betterment is ideal for those who are comfortable with a long-term investment approach. If you need access to your cash in the short term, it might not be the best fit. Also, while Betterment offers a variety of investment options, they don't provide individual stock or bond picking. So, if you crave that level of control, you might want to look elsewhere. The takeaway, invest smarter, not harder. But for the vast majority of people who want a hassle-free way to grow their savings, Betterment is a compelling option. It's an automated investing service that tailors your portfolio to your goals, keeps fees transparent, and lets you sit back and relax while your money works for you. So, is Betterment the magic bullet to financial freedom? Not quite. But it's a powerful tool that can help you invest smarter, not harder, and put your savings on autopilot towards a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.